How do you keep your lawn lush green in the summer? Follow these tips to keep your lawn healthy and looking in great condition. Like all plants, grass benefits from a good lawn feed. Water your lawn first, then make up the fertilize and water the wet grass. There are many lawn feeds available. Follow the instructions on the packet. It is essential you water the lawn, especially in the hot summer. Water in the morning or the evening, not when the sun is at its highest. Hose pipe bans can be in place in some places during the summer, but if you have a water butt collection, you can still use this to water your lawn. The hot sun is a big cause of yellow or dying grass. You don't have to water every day, but when you do, make sure you water thoroughly. Don't cut the lawn too short when you use your mower. Letting the grass keep some height is better for your lawn. That doesn't mean it has to be overgrown, but cutting right down to the dirt does not help your grass and will make the grass weaker. Weeds in your garden tend to be bigger and stronger than grass when they get going. If your garden is overrun by weeds, you can expect that they are taking more nutrients from the soil than your grass. Remove those weeds by hand right down to the root. This will help prevent them from seeding all over your garden as well. Dog urine will damage your lawn and turn your grass yellow. Keeping your dog or training your dog to use one area will help in preventing these dead yellow patches. Investing in some small gates to section off part of the garden can help. You may have patches of bare earth, or your grass may have thinned in some areas, reseeding the lawn, and these patches can really make a difference. The quality and type of grass used can affect the color of your lawn. So can the initial turf laid. The more you pay, the better quality of lawn you're likely to have. Even if your lawn doesn't have bare patches, reseeding it will help it stay lush. Aim to do this at the end of summer and early autumn when the sun isn't so harsh on the grass. Following these simple tips will vastly improve your lawn's vitality, health, and color.